Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you how to add floating shutter button in camera. So firstly, let's open camera, go to settings and shooting methods. Turn this function on, touch to take photo. And now tap on the screen to take a photo. If you want to enable this function, go to settings and shooting methods and turn the function off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.